Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today is Valentine's Day. I just wanted to look cute because girl, one, where am I going? Two, do I have Valentine's? No. So I'm gonna look cute for myself. So today I'm just gonna do really quick, really simple. It's just gonna be like, what I'm thinking is just a really light smoked lash line and a red lip. But we're gonna look super glowy, we're gonna look super cute. I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna look real cute. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna moisturize with some Q10 Nivea Plus Energy Day Cream, and then I'm gonna add some CBD oil. Actually, am I? No, I'm not gonna add any CBD oil. After that, I'm gonna do some illuminating. Okay, the reason I'm not using CBD oil is because I don't know how some products sit on like an oily surface. Even though it does suck into the skin, I'm just not gonna go there because I don't have time to waste, okay? And I don't want to actually dig my nail into this. I didn't go out and get my nails done. I did them myself before anyone comes for me. So I'm gonna get a brush and I'm gonna basically put this in the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I'm just gonna put this basically in all my pory areas so that I look cute and I have a smooth base. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the illuminating stuff because I want to look nice and glowy. Even if it's just for a photo, I don't care. I'm going to go all out. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to get the MAC Strobe Cream. This is in Pink Light. It's just a little tester bottle I got. This is quite light, so I'm just going to dot some areas first if I've got any product left. This is only a gentle illuminator, okay? So don't think you're gonna get anything crazy out of this. This is like the most natural, lightest illuminator that I have, but I want to put that on first. This is just a nice little highlighting base. I'm going to take a little bit of the Revlon Skin Lights in 300 Sunrise Luster. I'm going to take just maybe this much. Not too crazy because I'm putting this in my foundation anyways. It has a bit of like a bronze undertone to it as well, which is quite nice. And then whatever's remaining, I just kind of like pat it over here. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal, it's really faded, but it's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear in 100 Linen. Literally my favorite foundation ever. Always gives me a super dewy, or not dewy, but a super luminous look without it looking matte or too wet. And I've just put some illuminator in it as well, the same Revlon one. With a damp sponge, I'm just gonna blend that out. For concealer, I'm going to use the Fast Base Revolution Concealer in C3 and just a tad of the Gosh High Coverage Concealer in 02. To set my under eyes, I'm going to use the XX Revolution Loose Powder in Translucent. I'm just going to take some of that. I also push this in on my pores, on my nose, and my cheek area, because it really it blurs them really nicely, and on my forehead as well. just basically the T-zone area. I'm not going to do my whole face yet because I'm going to cream contour, and I don't like mixing creams and powders together. Before setting my whole face, I like to cream contour. This is the Huda Beauty Tantour in Fair. Just blending that out with my sponge. Even if you think it might be a little bit too dark for you, you can always just go over it, like flip this over with the foundation and just go back. And that just lightens it up and makes it blend in better. I'm now going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is my first time using it. This is in Sunkissed Bronzer. Let's see how this goes. Just to set the rest of my face with that same translucent powder. Okay, because Revolution Pro have been showing me some love recently on their Instagram, I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Dark Brown Eyebrow Pencil. I believe this is their Micro Brow Pencil. Going to use this to prime my eyelids. Gonna set my eyes with the same Revolution powder. I'm going to use the NYX Slide On Glide Ons, the Slide On Glide On, this is a long name, waterproof eyeliner in Brown Perfection. I'm just going to take some of this. I'm just going to slowly like line my eyeline. I'm going to start off small. I'm going to take a brush like this. And I'm just gonna start blending it. I'm not gonna go too crazy. But this smudge is quite nice. So you can just keep layering. It's also easier to hold your lash line like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a tiny little bit of gel liner by Maybelline. This is their black one. For some reason I don't have brown eyeliner. Like, yeah, I don't have brown eyeliner. If I had brown eyeliner, I'd use brown eyeliner, but I don't. So I'm going to take some black eyeliner. I'm going to do like a cat eye in a corner thing. Just by wiping it a little, it really sharpens it and also gives you that nice little sharp edge. Now while the gel eyeliner is still a little bit wet, I'm gonna smoke it out like this. Just on the inside, like that. And while I still have a little bit of brown on my brush, just pull it in, and you can see it's kind of giving it like a black brown gradient, which is quite nice. Now for the outer corner, I'm gonna do a teeny, or I'm not gonna do a teeny tiny flick. Let's just see where it takes me, because you see with eyeliner, I don't mess with eyeliner because you never know what kind of flick you're gonna get. So I'm gonna start off small because I want to smoke the wing. And because I got acrylic nails, right? That can sometimes just elongate it and make it a little bit smoky, but whatever. Even if we mess up, I've always got what do you call it? Concealer. We ain't gonna go crazy with it. Start off real slow. I'm just gonna use the remaining product to fill this area. So now what I'm gonna do with this little eyeliner I got going on here, I'm gonna take the Revolution Pro Truth or Dare palette. I'm gonna take the shade, which shade am I gonna take? I'm gonna take the shade Toned, which is this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna use the same brush because that I was smudging with. I'm gonna take that same brush. And I'm just gonna try blend this wing out a little. A small brush with barely any, I don't think it has any product on it. I'm just gonna use that to smoke out this lash line a little bit, this little brown colour. Okay, taking the Maybelline Tattoo Liner in brown, I'm going to line my bottom waterline and I'm going to blend it out a little bit to make it a little bit smoky. I'm not going too crazy with this. I'm not going to take it too much on the on the lash line either. I'm going to take a little bit of that tone shade again, what I used to smoke out the liner. Just a little bit of that. Okay, I'm going to put some highlight on. I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Goddess of Faith highlighter. Just here without covering up too much of the eyeliner. So just above and below it. And under the arch of my eyebrows as well. I'm going to use these lashes. These are the Isla Tiffany 3D Foam Mink lashes. I'm going to apply these. I'm going to go in with the blush. I'm going to use the Morphe 8C Cool Pro palette. I'm going to take the colour It Girl, which is right here. For highlight, I'm going to use the Goddess of Faith highlighter again. Then I'm going to add some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in Snowflake. For the lips, I'm going to go with a red. I'm going to use the MUA Intense Colour Lip Liner in Agenda. I'm going to take the Bourjois Rouge Velvet lipstick in number 7. I'm going to take the Be Perfect Carnival Love Tahiti palette. I'm going to take a red from here, okay? I'm going to take this colour here, which is called Blaze. I'm going to see what that looks like first. Hold on. Pat my outer corners with it. I'm just trying to see what it looks like. No, I could go darker. So I'm going to take the colour here, Chili Pepper. And I like the way it's just darkened the lips a little bit on the outer corners. It's giving it more of like a blue-red tone instead of an orange-red tone. Okay, so this is my final look. This is my Valentine's Day look. For some reason, I keep calling it Halloween. I don't know why. Every time I call Valentine's, I'm like, yeah, this is my Halloween. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, this is my Valentine's look. And simple, you got your eyeliner, you got your red lip. So yeah, this is my look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything you want to see, please let me know. I hope you have a very wonderful Valentine's Day and that, you know, you received everything that you ever wanted. And if you're by yourself, do you know what? It's okay. We're in this together. We love ourselves. It's okay. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.